I made my first AI film. The video that you're seeing on the left side is the original video of me. The video that you're seeing on the right side is the AI movie that I have made using my video. It is possible with the help of a website called lensgo, the AI website which will help you to perform magic with your videos and images. One feature that I loved in this website is style transfer. You need to upload your video and select which style that you want the original video to get transferred into. That's it. You get an AI based style transfer video instantly. I have uploaded my video like sitting in a cave and working in a laptop. That's what I'm doing on the video. I have uploaded my video and I have selected Spider-Man style here, and I didn't touch any other settings. I just selected Spider-Man filter. That's it. Like it would take around 13 or 14 minutes based on the video length. Once the processing is done, you will have your video ready. So this is a video that is generated from my video. This looks amazing, right? And there is also a free trial for you. You can use it up to certain level for free. You don't need to pay until and unless you decide to make larger videos. Try with your videos and let me know in the comments that how you feel about the output. Thank you for watching this video. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more such AI related content.